The Experian Smart Money account combines a debit account with credit monitoring tools inside the Experian app. So your spending activity and credit tracking live in the same place. By the end, you'll know what the Smart Money account actually is, how it works day to day, and whether it's useful compared to just using a regular bank account plus Experian's free tools. Start with what it is. The Smart Money account is a debit account, not a credit card or loan product. It lets you spend money you already have while being managed inside Experian's ecosystem. Now explain what that means. Instead of separating banking and credit tracking, Experian puts both into one app experience. You can manage spending while also seeing credit-related updates in the same dashboard. Now, explain the core function. The account works like a standard debit account for payments, purchases, and transfers. Your activity stays tied to your available balance, not borrowed credit. Now explain the main difference people misunderstand. This account does not build credit directly in the same way a credit card does. It is mainly designed for money management and visibility, not credit-building tools like Experian Boost. Now explain the benefit. The main advantage is convenience. You don't have to switch between a separate bank app and credit monitoring tools. Now explain who it's for. It is most useful for people who already use Experian regularly and want everything in one place. It is less useful if you already have a preferred bank account you are happy with. Now explain the limitation. It does not replace a full-featured bank account with advanced banking tools. It is also limited to the Experian ecosystem, so it is not meant to be a full financial replacement. Now explain the practical reality. Most users treat it as a secondary account, rather than their main banking setup. That means it is often used alongside a traditional checking account, not instead of one. Now, summarize the key points. The Experian Smart Money account is a debit account inside the Experian app. It focuses on convenience and combining banking with credit tracking. And it is usually used as a secondary account, rather than a primary bank replacement. One practical next step. Compare it with your current bank app and see if you actually need a separate account. Because most of the value comes from convenience, not new financial features. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of financial tools without the confusion.